Saf's white jacket made quite a style statement. He can sure make heads turn.
How is it to give interviews one after the other?
I will interview back to you. Such an important part of what we do is to promote a film. So it's really nice to meet all the press and to promote at the same time. But if you give honest answers and if you're deeply involved in what you're saying, then also the repetition can get a little tiring. But then people like you ask different questions and it makes it all fun again.
No, I'm not going to ask anything different right now. What is Qurban all about?
Okay, well, Qurban is a thriller and a love story, and it's got a background of terrorism. It has Islamic fundamentalism and some pretty scary people, but it also has a voice of moderate Islam, and it shows that a little bit as a kind of not a message, but in the background. I think it makes a difference between people who think that killing innocent people in the name of God is not okay, and I think that's nice. But it's not about that. It's the story of two people, Ehsan and Avantika, and how their lives are turned upside down by this agenda of Ehsan's and this other personality that he has, which she doesn't know about. And that is what constitutes the thriller and the love story.
Saf and Kareena have featured in a couple of films together, and though their off-screen chemistry was setting the room ablaze, their on-screen equation is yet to be established.
How is it to work with Kareena Kapoor?
I mean, it's great. She's a great actor, and I think we're both very professional. So, really very nice. I'm happy we got a chance to do something that we really care about together.
I met you 3 months back, and let me tell you, you're looking fantastic. What's the secret? What have you been doing?
Only been eating, and I need to start training.
Lost weight.
God, no.
Skin is much better now.
Really, it must have been really bad before. But I'm going to go and start tomorrow a proper diet and yoga and everything. But tonight I think I'm in Dubai, going to go out for a last dinner.
Okay, Saf, you're really one of the most stylish men in the film industry. Tell us about what are you wearing? This jacket is lovely. I like the white jacket.
I chose it specially for Dubai. I thought it's a little...
You're very brand conscious, so which brand is this?
This is a Dolce & Gabbana.
What about style and fashion? What's your take on it?
Well, they're two different things, no? I think fashion is one man's invention, which you follow. But style is how you put everything together in a sort of personal statement of how you feel, and it should be something unique.
और अब वक्त है हमारे हाई फोकस सेगमेंट का। आपको तो पता ही है, हर हफ्ते हम हाई फोकस में उन इश्यूज़ को डिस्कस करते हैं जो हमारे लिए और हमारे सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं। और इस हफ्ते हम आपको ले जा रहे हैं लैंडमार्क ग्रुप के बीट डायबिटीज़ वॉक पर।
UAE has the second highest incidence of diabetes in the world, and about 20% of the people here are meant to be diabetic, and most of them don't know it. And that's the reason we've taken this initiative, to be able to create awareness. We found as we've done it that we've not only had great support, but people have come forward because it really touches every family and every organization. So everyone has really supported us well, and we're very pleased. We've had a great turnout.
I personally request each and every one of you to please get yourselves and your families checked. If it's detected early with the help of some treatment and lifestyle changes, you can greatly reduce the risks that are associated with diabetes. So stay healthy and look after your health, because there's no other greater wealth. Thank you for your encouraging emails and messages. We love them, so please do keep them coming. Also remember that your lifestyle gurus are at your beck and call, so send in your beauty and style related questions now. And you can join us on Facebook fan page or follow us on Twitter to stay updated on all the behind the scenes masala. And that brings us to the end of tonight's show. Till we meet next week, keep living the high life. This is your host Uma, signing off. And if you're wondering where we are at, it's the newly opened Ramada downtown Burj Dubai, which is located at one of the most prestigious locations, the Downtown Burj. The elegantly appointed presidential suite where I'm sitting has an amazing view of the Burj Dubai Tower at the boulevard. The Ramada downtown has floored us with their warmth and hospitality, and we wish them every success as they open their doors to the leisure and business travelers.